Hello guys, my name is Salman. I'm back with another video. So today we are going to do unboxing of HP wired mouse. This is just ordered from Blinkit, which is now around 12:20 p.m. and I've got this product at this hour in the night. So that's great, fantastic service from Blinkit. So this is the mouse which I've just ordered, and I'm just going to do the unboxing of this device. It's a very simple device. Just a moment, let me open the box and I'll show you the contents. So this cost me MRP shows $699, but I got it for $299. So I just remove the contents of the box, and there's nothing much inside. The user's manual, as you can see. The user's guide. There's nothing much. So this is a wired mouse from HP. It's a very good product. So it's a USB powered, and it is a plug and play. It has got optical sensor and it's got 1600 dpi. And talking about the compatibility, is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. What else is there? And so I believe this is the best device in the market. There are wireless mouse are available, but you'll run out of the battery. I had to order this because the scroll of my mouse is not working. The scroll button is not working. So I'll just plug it in and show how it works. Scroll button. So the mouse is working absolutely fine once you plug it. Okay, so the mouse is working perfectly fine. So I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, so I will get back. I'll make new videos with exciting products. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.